Siddharth Malhotra visits Siddhivinayak temple with mother, prays for wife Kiara Advani and newborn daughter. Siddharth Malhotra is embracing fatherhood with a heart full of joy. The actor and his wife, Kiara Advani, recently became parents to a baby girl, and Siddharth seems to be cherishing every moment of this new chapter. On Sunday, the actor paid a visit to the iconic Siddhivinayak temple in Mumbai. He wasn't alone, his mother accompanied him as they offered prayers. While the Hasi To Fasi star was spotted by the paparazzi during this spiritual outing, Kiara has remained away from the public eye since giving birth. Photos and videos shared online show Siddharth dressed in a simple, casual outfit, adorned with a saffron shawl around his shoulders. Alongside his mother, he sought Lord Ganesha's blessings, praying for the well-being and safety of his daughter and family. The couple had announced the arrival of their baby girl on 16 July via a heartwarming Instagram post that touched many hearts. They wrote, "Our hearts are full, and our world is forever changed. We are blessed with a baby girl." The announcement was met with an outpouring of love from fans and fellow celebrities alike. Following the announcement, the new parents made a respectful request to the media and photographers. They asked for privacy during this intimate and special time with their newborn. In their message, they said, "We are so grateful for all the love and wishes. Our hearts are truly full. As we take our first steps into this new journey of parenthood, we hope to enjoy it intimately as a family. It would mean a lot to us if this special time could stay private. So, no photos please, only blessings. Thank you for your support. Love, Kiara and Siddharth." Siddharth and Kiara's romance blossomed during the filming of Shershaah, where their on-screen chemistry soon sparked off-screen rumors. After keeping their relationship private for a while, the duo tied the knot in a grand yet intimate ceremony in Rajasthan in February 2023. From real-life couple to real-life partners, their journey has been a beloved one. And now, with the arrival of their daughter, they've stepped into the joyful world of parenthood together. Kriti Sanon lets loose on her 35th birthday with beau Kabir Bhaiya in France. He shares adorable selfie. Kriti Sanon celebrated her 35th birthday in style on Sunday, and her partner Kabir Bhaiya made sure it was a day to remember. The actress rang in her special day in France, surrounded by close friends and Kabir, and it looked nothing short of magical. Clips from the private celebration are now doing the rounds on social media. The bash, held in Saint-Tropez, was arranged by Kabir, and Kriti seemed to be living it up. In one of the videos, she is seen beaming with joy and grooving to the music in a glittering bralette, matching figure-hugging skirt, and a flowing cape. The event was all glitz and glam, with guests donning sparkly golden hats and dancing the night away. It also appears that Kriti and Kabir are no longer keeping their romance under wraps, as the two frequently share glimpses of each other online. Marking Kriti's birthday, Kabir posted a radiant selfie with her on Instagram and captioned it, "Happy birthday K," along with a heart emoji. Currently, the couple is enjoying a dreamy cruise getaway across the scenic waters of France. Kriti has been sharing glimpses of her sun-drenched vacation, flaunting her beach looks and carefree moments with fans on social media. Rumor has it that the couple has been going strong for nearly 2 years. Despite Kabir being 8 years younger, the duo appears to be madly in love. If the buzz is to be believed, wedding bells may be on the horizon for Kriti and Kabir, possibly by late 2025 or early 2026. Who is Medha Rana? Meet the debutant starring opposite Varun Dhawan in Border 2. The highly anticipated war drama Border 2 is already making headlines for its stellar casting and grand scale. While Varun Dhawan takes the lead as Paramveer Chakra awardee Major Hoshyar Singh Dahiya, the spotlight has also turned to the film's female-led, fresh face Medha Rana. So who is she, and why is everyone suddenly talking about her? Let's dive in. Medha Rana is all set to make her big Bollywood debut with Border 2, stepping into the shoes of the female lead opposite Varun Dhawan. Though new to the silver screen, Medha is no stranger to acting or the camera. She has previously featured in a handful of web series and streaming projects that showcased her strong screen presence and versatility. Early life and background. Born on 25 December 1999 in Gurgaon, Haryana, Medha began her journey in the entertainment world at a young age. She started as a model, walking the ramp for major designers at fashion weeks across the country. Her striking looks and poised demeanor quickly made her a favorite among top brands and designers. Her acting break. Medha's acting debut came with the 2022 crime thriller web series London Files, where she starred alongside Arjun Rampal. Her role as Maya Roy was well received, and the show opened the doors for further opportunities in the OTT space. She followed this up with strong performances in Dancing on the Grave, the teen comedy Friday Night Plan, and Ishq in the Air. Each of these roles allowed Medha to explore different genres, ranging from mystery to romance and light-hearted drama, proving she could hold her own in front of the camera. A dream debut in Border 2. Being cast in Border 2 is undoubtedly a game-changer for Medha. Directed by Anurag Singh and produced by Bhushan Kumar, JP Datta, and Nidhi Datta, the film is the official sequel to the iconic 1997 film Border. The original, starring Sunny Deol and Sunil Shetty, is a cult classic and one of India's most loved war films. For Medha, this is not just a debut, it's an entry into mainstream cinema with a film steeped in patriotic emotion and legacy. Reports suggest that Medha impressed the makers with her ability to portray rustic, grounded characters, a trait that aligned perfectly with the film's tone and period setting. More than just a pretty face. Apart from acting and modeling, Medha has also been featured in popular music videos like Barsat and Gul, and has worked in major ad campaigns. With a growing fan base on social media, she is quickly becoming a style icon and Gen Z influencer. What's next? Border 2 is slated for release on 23 January 2026, just before Republic Day, and expectations are high. With Varun Dhawan leading the charge and Medha Rana making her grand Bollywood debut, the film is poised to be a landmark moment for both the franchise and the actress. As audiences await the film's trailer and first glimpses, all eyes are now on Medha Rana, a name you are likely to hear a lot more in the coming months. Ahan Pandey's alleged private Instagram account surfaces, followed by Ananya Pandey, Aneet Padda. Ahan Pandey has captured the spotlight ever since making his Bollywood debut in Mohit Suri's Sayyara. With the growing buzz around the rising star, eagle-eyed fans have seemingly unearthed what appears to be his private Instagram account. The handle in question, @Pandey.Ahan, features a quirky profile photo, a dog strumming a guitar. Though Ahan hasn't officially verified whether the account is his, fans are convinced it belongs to him, especially since it's followed by several celebrities close to him, including Ananya Pandey, Aneet Padda, Khushi Kapoor, Tara Sutaria, Alaya F, Aisha Ahmed, and Preet Kamni, among others. It's not unusual for stars in the film industry to maintain low-key or Finsta accounts to stay in touch with their inner circle. In the past, both Khushi Kapoor and Janhavi Kapoor have shared that they operate private accounts meant exclusively for friends and family. Even Alia Bhatt has noted that Ranbir Kapoor uses a private account to keep a tab on social media. As of now, the supposed Finsta link to Ahan has 508 followers, 206 posts, and follows 1,603 profiles. In the meantime, Sayyara continues its dream run at the box office, defying the norms of romantic dramas. The film, directed by Mohit Suri, has surpassed the 300 crore rupees mark globally within just 9 days, positioning itself as one of 2025's most successful theatrical releases. As per early estimates, the movie brought in approximately 30 crore rupees, India net, on its 10th day, which was a Sunday. Thanks to glowing reviews and minimal competition in cinemas, Saiyaara is expected to maintain its momentum into the next week. If the trend continues, it may even overtake Kabir Singh's lifetime earnings of 377 crore rupees, becoming the highest-grossing Indian romantic film of all time, non-inflation adjusted. All attention now turns to its performance in week 2.